Hello guys, welcome to my Raphael's cooking day. So tonight we're going to cook the favorite pizza. So this is our for the favorite time of this National Pizza Day. So I'm gonna do here. So we're going to do for this here. So advanced National Pizza Day over here. For this we're going for the pizza over here. So sponsored by Cooking with Kian, and also the Joshua Wiseman and anything over here. So I'm going to start it exactly 1 minute in here. Albert can cook, and then also the pizza here, Fred over here. So I'm going to start it exactly 1 minute in here. The day after, the day before the National Pizza Day. So this Valentine's Day, you're going to do for the shakies over here. So okay, so I have that here for this pizza over here. So I've already ordered here. So I don't have any more pizza over here. So let's make over here into the time over here of this pizza over here. Alright, so I'm going to do. So here are the ingredients in here. You will have shredded mozzarella, all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, bologna, queso pizza, queso cheese, spaghetti, pizza sauce, and sugar and dry yeast. So I'm going to start it exactly 2 minutes in here. So this is start here for the favorite fresh food pizza, first pizza of 2026. So here for this tomorrow is the National Pizza Day. It is February 9, Monday. So I'm gonna do here of this going for the National Pizza over here. So I'm gonna do for this going for the favorite here to chef that here for the pizza over here. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna do here for this. So going here, sorry guys. So I'm going to put some flour and do here for this. We're going for that over here. So I'm going to use it here for the favorite flour. So this will be flour over here. So I have a much kilo of that over here. This will be the flour over here. So I'm going to put some dry yeast. And we're just here for that for the favorite dry yeast over here. So I'm going to use it here for the favorite yeast over here. Alright, so I'm gonna do here. So I'm going to put some sugar. And I have that here for the homemade pizza over here. It is deliciously and fresh food over here for this pizza day over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite here for the pizza. Okay, so I've got the sugar over here. So I'm going to put some salt. And what we have to do is actually over here is to have my favorite pizza. So I'm going to use the for the favorite with this pizza over here for the salt. Okay, so we're gonna do here. So I'm going to here for this. So I'm going to put some vegetable oil to make the nice dough over here. And just over here. And now we wash it here about 3 cups of water over here. Alright, so I'm gonna do. So let's follow me to our here for the favorite for the kitchen. Alright, so we're going to do and going to put this here. And just here for the pizza. It's very delicious to eat that here for the pizza. And just here to microwave here. And let's do this. For now, I'm going to put something in the sea. So I have a fresh one ingredient. Then I pour something in water over here. Too much here. So it will be making for the pizza dough. Here, well, so this is maybe for the pizza. So to mix it faster. Okay, so let's do here. Make sure to mix it faster over here, and now I'll be here. So. Do that here for the pizza, and this is making the here the fresh full pizza. It is from tomorrow. Tomorrow is National Pizza Day. It is February 9. So going to do for this for the fresh full pizza. So deliciously, and then I'll be here to mix it well over here, and then going to stop the mixer here. So I'm going to do to have them for the favorite pizza, and so let's go with that here for the go back to the kitchen. Alright, so we're going to do pizza over here. So I need the dough like this here and this here without using flour. I'm just going to return it up sometimes. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do the pizza. I'm going to rise the dough for about 15 minutes. So you won't be here, so to see the rice the dough over here, and we're just here. So I'm going to wash that here for the oil. Alright, so I'm going to rise the dough for about 15 minutes over here. So I'm going to do. So we'll be here. It is the pizza over here. Okay, so we're going to do. Let us rise the dough for about 15 minutes, and then going to set the timer right here. Okay, so let me rise the dough for here for about 15 minutes, and we'll be here to this, and just for that, this will be here. So the dough has been rising over here. So time check is already 7:17 on the clock over here. Now we'll be ending on 7:32. That will be here for the pizza over here. So I'm going to do have the pizza over here. So see you later for about 15 minutes, and see you later for about 7:32 p.m.
This week, this slides is to do of this Baldi's Basics, so I need to play every Monday to Saturday afternoons. This slides of this play of this Baldi's Basics, I have to do something to have the slides of this Baldi's Basics. Baldi loves his slides, weekdays, 10 a.m., and Saturdays, 12 noon, on free live TV, having a good live. This February, this Valentine's world of this Baldi's Basics, so I need to play every Monday to Saturday afternoons.
I am coming with you.
The Valentine's Day is on every 14th of February. I need to give some flowers and chocolates of this Baldi's Basics. Baldi's Basics of Valentine's World premieres February 16, Mondays to Saturdays, 3 p.m., on free live TV. Having a good live. This February, this jump rope is to play of this Baldi's Basics, so I need to play every weekday afternoons. This jump rope is to play of this Baldi's Basics. I will need something to have the jump rope of this Baldi's Basics. Baldi loves his jump rope premieres February 9, weekdays, 1 p.m., on free live TV. Having a good live.
Nandito na ang totoong number 1. Ako at ang CDO Fantastic Tocino. Gawa ito sa 100% young pork, kaya may tamang lambot at sarap ng tocino. Ay! Eksena ka? Fantastic ang number 1.
CDO Copico Blanca, the number 1 creamy coffee in the Philippines. So creamy.
Winner sa akin to.
Correct yarn. That's why it's the number 1 creamy coffee. Copico Blanca, creamy at gentle sa tummy.
Pilar, biktima ng paskil stain.
Di kinaya ng sabon ko.
Pero kaya ng Ariel with Downy. Paskil stain, mas tanggal yan. May 10x Power Clean.
Amoy Downy.
Imposibleng mancha, posible sa Ariel.
Good day for a date. Bad day for kate. Baka dandruff yan. Mag Head and Shoulders every day. Prevent dandruff and kate from coming back. So you're up to 100% dandruff-free every day. Head and Shoulders.
Curry na creamy. May saktong spice at hint of sweetness. New Golden Curry Filet. Hanap mong sarap, nasa McDo na. It's curry good.
Dok, lapit na ako.
Ang bawat biyahe ko,
Dok,
para makapagtapos si Maki.
Papa, vitamins mo!
Katulong mo ang Centrum Advance. May mas maraming nutrients complete from A to zinc. Tulong para malakas ang puso, matibay ang resistensya, alaga ang mata, at buong katawan.
Ihahatid kita sa pangarap mo.
Centrum Advance, alagang di magkuk...
after 15 minutes, time check is ready. 7:32 on the clock over here. So 15 minutes here. So I'm gonna do. So I'm going to need this here. For that, so make it here. Make the dough over here using rolling pin. Okay, so the pizza is over here. So I'm going to put some pizza sauce. And it will be here for the pizza sauce over here. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite size of for the favorite pizza sauce. Use that here for the pin. Alright, so the pizza is a favorite here this time. And now I'll be here, so I'm going to put some mozzarella. And over here for this, going for the fresh food mozzarella. So I'm going to use that here for the favorite here. So for the smooth and creamy, excellent for pasta like I seen in pizza. So I'm gonna make the pizza here. So we're using mozzarella. Taste test for a while. Mmm. 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 Okay, so I'm going to put some cheese. This cheese over here for the officially top over here. So I'm going to use it here for the size. And then this is the favorite for the favorite cheese. The queso. This for the Felish mozzarella. And then you'll be successfully amazed by the here for the queso. And then Mongolia over here. I think it smells like the cards over here. Alright, so I gotta do with this up, eh? The size of the pizza. The delish, really delish over here. This slice of the pizza is to have for this recipe. Okay, so this recipe, it's takes to cook about a few minutes, and it will be here at the soup. Okay, so put the top of bit of mozzarella here. It's deliciously this mozzarella, and then then I'm going to put something at the side for the mozzarella. And then I'm going to, here it is too small, so I'm gonna cut it here only. And over here, so I'm gonna put this side over here. Delicious. Alright, so this is a favorite. Get it for the pizza. And then I'll be here for this. So I'm going to put some smoked bologna. And I'll be here for this, so I'm gonna arrange it here for the pizza. So I'm going to use it here of the favorite pizza over here. Mozzarella is delicious, tasty. Favorite here is to be the size of the pizza. So I'm gonna do. So let's bake this with the oven over here for 30 minutes. So let's follow me to our oven over here.
Weekdays. This bubbles of this Baldi's basics, so I need to play every weekday mornings. I have to do some bubbles of this Baldi's basics. I will just happen to that bubbles of this Baldi's basics. Baldi loves his bubbles. Weekdays, 8 a.m. on free live TV. Having a good live. Happy New Year, editors. You will have to do something to grade this 2026. I have to do the new shows of this new year.
Yum! 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 Yum!
I am coming, ready order, here I come.
Yum! Yum!
Nom, 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 nom. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep!
Read the book.
Wait, no! Ooh, that makes me sad!
No, stop! Stop! Ayaw!
New Year, new shows of this 2026. We are having a good live this 2026. On Free Live TV, having a good live. This weeknights, this donuts of this Baldi's Basics, so, I need to play every weeknights. I have to do something is to have that for the donuts. I need to do something is to have the donuts of this Baldi's Basics. Baldi loves his donuts. Weeknights, 9:15 p.m. on Free Live TV, having a good live.
My child's big day. Masisira lang ng pimples from harmful germs? I choose new Safeguard with complete 10 germ protection. Unlike another beauty soap, it protects from 10 harmful germs. Helps fight pimples.
Better Safeguard than sorry.
Di pa yan, Slay Girl! Fit check, baya! Naku, nakakahiya kong kulong.
Kahit makapal, kahit tuyo sa loob, perfume bango all day.
Copico Blanca, the #1 creamy coffee in the Philippines. So creamy.
Winner sa akin to.
Correct yarn. That's why it's the #1 creamy coffee. Copico Blanca, creamy at gentle sa tummy.
Lumio City is waiting, inviting you to compete as a Pokemon trainer in new dynamic battles. When night falls, the best trainers rise. Are you prepared to face the challenge and tackle the mysterious incidents happening in Lumio City? Pokemon Legends ZA, available October 16th on Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch 2.
Brigadeiro Munchkins. Nothing like Dunkin'.
Alright, so we're going to do, I'm gonna bake this in the oven for 190 Celsius a fair of night for about 30 to 20 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna do for the 30 minutes in the oven. So time check is already 7:40 on the clock over here. Now I'll be ending on 8:10. So I'm gonna do here for the favorite here for the favorites for pizza, and these are the special over here for the pizza over here. So see you later for about 30 minutes and see you later for about 8:10 p.m.
This weekdays, this Taco Bell of this Baldi's Basics, so, I need to play every weekday afternoons.
Yum. Yum.
This Taco Bell is to have that of this Baldi's Basics. I have to do something is to have the Taco Bell of this Baldi's Basics.
Yum. Yum.
Baldi loves his Taco Bell, weekdays, 2 p.m., on Free Live TV, having a good live. This weekdays, this competence world of this Baldi's Basics, so, I need to play every weekday afternoons.
Run, as fast as you can.
For this competence world of this Baldi's Basics, I have to do something is to play as the Baldi's Basics. Baldi's Basics of Competence World, weekdays, 5:45 p.m., on Free Live TV, having a good live. This weekdays, This portals of this Baldi's Basics, so I need to play every weekday afternoons. I have to do something is to have the teleport to our portal. I have to do something is to go with the portals of this Baldi's Basics. Baldi loves his portals, weekdays, 12 noon, on free live TV, having a good live.
Copico Blanca, the #1 creamy coffee in the Philippines. So creamy.
Winner sa akin to.
Correct yarn. That's why it's the #1 creamy coffee. Copico Blanca, creamy at gentle sa tummy.
Buhusan man, di ako takot.
Buhusan man, hirap.
Kaya mag-Joy 3X Power. Isang patak, talong isang buhos ng Brand X Liquid.
Super tipid.
Isang patak, super bisa.
You want great hair? Pero tutuchang-tuchang. May sagot right here.
Pantene Supplement Conditioner with Pro-Vitamin and Collagen. Smooths out to chunk easily for smoothness. It's not luck, it's Pantene.
Champion, the official Chocomalt drink of the NBA. 50% more protein galing sa milk at egg plus 10 vitamins at iron.
Sarap! Focus na ako sa pag-aaral at sa sports.
After about 30 minutes, I'm checking it's already 8:11 and I'm passing 1 minute. So I'm gonna do for this for the pizza over here. And there you have it, we have it for the homemade pizza. So that's it for our video with this video here. So next is we'll be having for the Valentine's Day cake. So nakita tayo sa susunod na linggo, 7 PM na po, so don't be late mo na po. So you have to subscribe to my Free Live TV Having Good Live. Facebook page, Free Live TV Having Good Live. TikTok at Free Live TV Having Good Live. YouTube Shorts is Free Live TV Having Good Live. YouTube posts and community posts, Free Live TV Having Good Live. YouTube podcast, Free Live TV Having Good Live. My post is Free Live TV Having Good Live, and my story is Free Live TV Having Good Live. You can create your story for about 34 hours before getting for the store got hype. So I hope you enjoy your cooking. So see you next week. Bye.